Forgot my lipstick. Okay, pretend I have lipstick on. I'm in such a rush.
I could sit around and tell you all about how I wanna live my life and try to make it happen.
Good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. My hair is different, as you can see. I think the last time I took my braids out was my friend's wedding in last June. Usually I just keep it braided up because I don't want to deal with it. This is not on my hair. Just letting you know why it might look a little different. You let my hair breathe for a minute. I feel like it was getting really dry and breaking off. Anyway, today is gonna be a busy day. I am helping Erin's cousin with her makeup. She's taking family pictures, and this is about the third time I think I've done it, but I've literally never recorded it. So today you guys are in for a treat because I'm gonna record it. So I'm just gonna show you what I have set up. We have to go to church. We're gonna leave church a little early, come back here. They're gonna get ready here, and then they're gonna leave from here because it's like 20 minutes away or something where they're going to take their pictures. I'm in a rush because Erin, you know, he don't like to be late unless it's him. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I'm gonna show you the setup I got going on. Also, I'm in the process of like rearranging everything in the craft room. So stuff is kind of all over the place. I ended up moving like my workstation over here and then move the gas bed over here, and I'll have the lights going over there, and my vanity is still in the same spot though. So I have a towel here. This is where I'll put like the brushes on when I'm using them. I have already disinfected the table and everything. I have my few like go-to, why is my voice cracking? Am I a teenage boy in puberty? Anyway, I have a few of my like go-to palettes that I'm gonna be using. So I got the Huda Beauty, the color board that I was telling you guys about on my, what vlog was that? Halloween vlog. It's my Ray Ray. I usually like to use her highlight. It just really just pops on brown tone skin. I may or may not use her bronzer. She is bringing all her own brushes and everything, and she might have a few palettes too, but I still bring out my staples, my brigade. These my Auntie Sonia got me. These are the Morphe, what are they? 350M, and I think this is a 350S. Yeah, but this is my holy grail of things right now that I'm using. I'm just hoping my hair doesn't poof up because it doesn't like weather. It doesn't like atmosphere. I think that's it. Erin and Alex went to go get some breakfast because I was still up here trying to set up, clean up, straighten up the best I could. They're on their way back to get me, so I didn't even finish my cup of coffee, okay? I'm dying right now. See, look at this hair already sticking up. No, ma'am. Okay, let me put on some lipstick and then let's get this day started.
A few moments later.
Okay, just left church a little early. Oh, and now we're about to head back so I can do her makeup. For breakfast, I had 2 English muffins with cheese and egg, and I ate one of the muffins, so I'm already at like sitting at 28 grams of carbs, but it's okay. I was so hungry. I think when I get home, I'm just gonna make myself a protein coffee, see how I feel after that. And then for dinner, we're having steaks at Erin's parents' house, so yep, that's that. It is 12:40. I need at least a solid hour to do her makeup just to make sure everything is the way she wants it. It's just gonna be a natural look anyways, nothing too elaborate, but I like to give myself some cushion. Her pictures are at 3 and it's about to be 1, so it should be okay. With myself, I just whip it up in like 20 minutes because it's my face, but other people, I want to make sure I have the time. I'm not a professional, obviously. It's a hobby. Just waiting for her to come.
I got
You
eyes,
even got it categorized? Okay.
Well, I'm trying to. You know, I don't know nothing. Amber, I got brushes, Amber.
Yes.
Amber,
Who
I got
told you to get those brushes?
Amber. Look, I got this too because, you know, I don't know too much. So I was like, well, I don't know because, you know, Amber, I don't know nothing. I got some more concealer, Amber, because it's concealer. Okay. That's the thing you go through. You go through this concealer.
Yes, you do. You need a lot of it.
Oh, yeah.
Especially when you're a mom.
This is setting powder. This is a black-owned company. Okay, just so many different things. Amber, so you tell me why I don't know what it is.
I'll just lay it all out. Well, we'll just try and categorize it.
Okay, you categorize,
So
Amber. I don't know nothing.
nothing.
Set and spray, Amber. I done bought the stuff. I don't know how to use it, Amber. I mean, you know, when I finally get a tutorial, shoot, I'll still come to you for special occasions.
Okay. Okay, so we're back home. I have my protein coffee, which you guys have seen me make, and I have a special guest here. We're gonna do this. Okay, so this is the before. Naturally gorgeous.
I don't know about that.
I wash my hands.
I'll go with that.
So we're gonna start with the eyelids. You can close them. So I'm gonna start with like a warm orange.
Okay.
You might think like orange on my eyes.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
But then I would have to also make sure I got the same palette.
Oh. Well, I mean, it's neutral, kind of. Like, so the orange is just gonna warm it up.
No, you know, I'm good. Like, oh, let's bring color. I'm always like, oh.
I don't like it. Like, I mean, not that I don't like it, but I don't know. I'm just more of a neutral person on a daily basis. Some people can wear like neon pink eyeshadow.
No, I don't think I don't know. Like, I would have to. It would have to match the outfit.
Yeah.
Like, or it would have to match the energy.
Mm-hmm.
You know, do I want to be in that space?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, everything I learned basically from other people. Like, my mom told me to get BH Cosmetics brushes. My aunt told me to get Morphe palettes. Well, she got me most of my Morphe palettes. And then research for the rest. This is the part that takes the longest, is the blending. But if you don't blend, it's going to look like a paint by number. So.
So we're in the creases and the lid.
Yes.
Quick.
With the orange. So it might look a little crazy now, but it's a process.
I'm trusting the process. I was like, I'm not feeling in the holiday spirit, you know, and then too, I sit there and watch the Hallmark movies, and he was like, well, don't let these Hallmark movies, you know, jade your stuff. He was like, you know, but when, like, maybe, you know, you'll just like decorate more in the house than what you normally do, or maybe you'll do some more crafts, like, you know, like holiday inspired. Crafts.
That's the hardest thing, because we on Pinterest, right? So I'm painting all this stuff. Ooh, this would be a cute DIY. This would be cute. I want to do this. But when I come in here, like, I have a space to create. When I come in here, there's 2 little feet that follow me, or maybe there's 4 feet that follow me. And it's like, I need you to go. I need to think. I need to purge. I need to.
Right. You be like, oh, maybe you get one of those. Get one of those things that creative time, right? And when they see it on the door, you don't come in. Look at that. And then like talk to Aaron. Aaron, listen. Aaron, this is the time. Remember how we talked about stuff to help me make sure that I am the best that I can be,
and I'm
for
not
the 2 of you
getting
guys.
my rut, because once I'm in the rut, I don't want to create. I don't want to talk. I don't want to move. I want to stay in bed all day, and I can't because I have a toddler. But and a husband. But like, I need that to feel like a person, like alive. Like, I can't go to a 9 to 5. Not that I can't, but you know. Like, I used to just be gone all day, like out there, just like
out there,
side down, like talking to people. How's your day? And yes, it might have been stressful, but like,
and you still
I was like, talking to adults other than my husband, my 2-year-olds.
Because like me and the girls, like, you know, it's a few girls at work, like we hang out and stuff. But me and one, we would always like. She's like, I gotta make a Target run. She was forever having to return something at Target or whatever. So we just be going to Target, making our Target runs, right? Or, like, for the pictures, like, they like, oh, what you doing for pictures? So I'm looking up the stuff online. I'm like, oh, I gotta return. I gotta go to New York and Company. So I'm going to New York and Company here. I'm going to H&M. I'm going to you know, the JCPenney and Chino, you know, I'm doing all this stuff on lunch and getting there, get back. I might only choose one store.
And you're like, it feels like you're making more use of your time. Yeah. Like, because you can. But, like, when you're home, it's like, where did the time go? But also, why is this day so long?
Yeah, the day is very long. And you're like, I'm tired of cleaning.
And then
I don't want to clean.
Why am I cleaning if you're gonna come right in here and mess it up again? And I don't even know where she gets half this stuff. She pulls the most random stuff and just drag it on the living room floor. Like, why is there a cup from the trash on the floor? Because you put it there. Why?
Right. Yeah.
I guess I'm not too abnormal. And I feel like now it's so hard to get out because you gotta think, well, if I go out by myself, everyone's gonna ask to come with me. And then that's like, oh, I gotta get her shoes and get her dress, you know.
And then when you go, then when you get in there, then they sidetracking because they were listen.
And then you forgot what you came for. I came here for like one thing.
Yes,
it's an in and out trip. Yes. I don't even know what I need anymore.
And then they're like, I'm like, no. See, Craft by Caitlin, I'm trying to get this stuff that she had, and you confusing me. I don't know what that is, sweetie. Go talk to Dad. I don't know. Okay, but then at the same time, Jacob is the one who was like telling Tommy on Friday, we should get Mom some flowers. He's my one that would be like, oh, we're just gonna go get her some flowers just because. So he's my one for that. We have more kids. We're going to need to make sure we do the belly casting for each one of them. I don't want all this work to have one into one. So if I couldn't sustain it, I didn't want to do it.
To do another night inspired.
She's applying her own mascara because she keeps crying when I do it.
All warm tones, not like the last one I did all.
Are you recording?
I think it's one of the products.
Ooh, look at that highlight. The highlight is popping.
It's been incredible for many years.
Close your eyes.
You can learn a lot from him for sure. Also, he knows what works. And you should try out his new 2 shade. You can wear it alone. You don't have to wear under makeup at all. Just to even the eyelid out.
I see circles of light.
Okay. Alright, so if you get there, like if you start tearing up again, in here it tends to get a little, I can see it happen right now, it gets a little cakey. Just make sure this is damp before you go, and you just go in and tap it. So here's the finished look, guys. What do you think?
Mario also.
I'm gonna see it all put together.
I love it. Thomas, what'd you say?
What'd you say?
Say it. Mom, you look good. Whoa, Mom, you look good. There it is. See? Yeah. This, yeah. Oh, hey, we can rock with this.
It's blinging.
Right. Bringing Sassy to the party, y'all. Sassy, you got to come through, Sassy.
Oh my gosh. Let's see the whole outfit. Ooh. Oh, so nice.
I'm excited. Keep this wet.
Okay.
Alright, guys, y'all ready?
Bye, guys. See you later. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hello there. Alright, so it's about 3:18. Everyone just left. I was really happy with the way her makeup came out, but more importantly, she was happy, so that was good. It took me a little longer this time because we were chatting and I actually recorded it and all that stuff, but typically it'll take me about an hour, give or take. So that was fun. A nice change in pace and a chance to like practice some more and fine-tune my craft. You know, I'm always trying to like learn and grow and become better with like makeup and creatively and like in life in general. Like if it's something I'm passionate about, I just want to learn as much as I can about it, because why not? Wouldn't you want to do that? But when she was here, she showed me this this YouTuber, Hung Vongo. I've never heard of him, but I'm subscribing right now. He's so like soothing to watch. I'm just about to binge watch all his videos. I already watched 3 of them while she was here. Look at that look. Do you see? It's so beautiful. This one right here. It's so flawless. That was the one she showed me. I find myself not really watching that many makeup videos these days, and I think it's kind of become oversaturated, and I don't know. I am almost done with my protein coffee. This is like so good. Such a treat. And I know that that feels like a weird thing to say, that a protein shake and a coffee is like a treat. But it's one of those things that really keeps me on track, because I would be starving right now and the only thing I want to do is go to like crappy McDonald's or Taco Bell and just devour 50 things on the menu. Okay, not that much, but you know what I mean? Like when you have things that you like enjoy drinking or eating, you want to eat those things more. I don't really like McDonald's, by the way, but I did have it this morning because it's close to us. So Aaron and Alex are at his parents' house. I told you guys Aaron is going to be making steaks tonight. So he literally packaged up a lot of our seasonings and took it over there so he could season it the way he wants. I don't know what this man does to steaks, but like, it's just, I could cry. They're so good. He's just so good at making steaks. I don't know, if I do anything exciting, I'll check in. But other than that, that's where we're at. All right, so change of plans. Aaron is actually making the steaks right now, so I gotta wrap it up. I just freshened up my face a little bit, popped on a little color. I was feeling inspired, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Let's see, on my lips, I have, if you guys care, some of you care, Sinful Colors, and it's the color Indulgent 2060. If I can find it, I'll link it below, but I found this at the 99-cent store. Your girl be balling on a budget. Where there's a deal, she will steal. I'm about to head out. Make sure I have everything because I always forget something. Okay, let's go. So you guys saw what I had for dinner. It was so delicious. Aaron makes the best steaks I've ever had in my entire life. And look who I have with me. Yeah, it's Alex. Hi. It's Alex Day. And it's time to play. It's time to play. It's Alex Day. Hey, hey, hey. Alex Day. Time to play. Alex Day. Alex Day. Okay, I'm super exhausted. Are you tired, Alex? Yeah? Say goodnight. Good night. I'll see you later. Give him kisses. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.